look good?
It looks good. Hey buds, do you have any childhood memories with puffball mushrooms? These seem designed to appeal to our playful nature and our desire to stomp on things. And if you give in to that temptation, you're actually helping them out by spreading their spores and creating future mushrooms. And if you find yourself out in the woods and with a cut, an elder did teach me that the spores will also help to stop bleeding. But did you know that they are also a choice edible? They're considered reasonably good for beginners with their lack of gills and stem and general lumpy nature. And if you keep watching, you'll learn about how our first puffball adventure went. My dad led me to these gems. Woohoo! First lesson learned. Bring a knife along and cut off the dirt and any bug damage before bagging. Whoops! Puffballs range in size and shape from that of a grape to a large watermelon. Before eating one, I've learned you should always cut it in half. If you see a pure white interior, you can proceed. If you see spores, weird colors, the outline of a mushroom, or a weird slime creature, then you should skip eating it. The first two indicate that it's gotten too mature, while the last two mean you've got a baby mushroom of a different and potentially dangerous kind. But put those spores back out in nature and you might get some future mushrooms. Puffballs will also keep in a paper bag for up to a week. So we had 3 versions over 3 nights. They are a mild tasting mushroom and a source of protein, which acts a little bit like tofu. The skin is edible, but it wanted to peel off for me, and this helped with my dirt issue. Official taste tester. Which recipe was best?
My favorite one was the puffball mini steaks.
I agree, though the texture of number 2 was pretty good.
It definitely was. I would say the second one that we had, it was hard to get, I guess, a taste of what the puffballs tasted like. We tried panko on top, and we had seasoned panko, and we had non-seasoned panko, and it kind of overtook the flavor of the mushroom. And the third one that we had was the lasagna, and the lasagna, the cheese kind of overtook the, I guess, the whole flavor of the mushroom as well. And I found that the texture was not what I expected.
To be fair, the lasagna was a little lighter on the mushroom than I had originally hoped. But it's nice that the simplest method was probably our fave. I still have lots to learn about wild mushrooms, but there are lots of great resources out there. If you have a favorite resource or a favorite mushroom recipe, please share in the comments below. Our official taste tester / camera guy also made a puffball out of his foot. This is not recommended. Stay safe out there.